In this video lecture, we are going to learn how to move on a number line. And if you're thinking, what does that mean? Let's say that your position on this number line is, let's say, -5. Okay, you are at -5. And you are instructed to move towards right, and you have to take 10 steps. You have to move by 10 steps towards the right. So right will be in this direction, right? This will be right. You have to take 10 steps towards the right on this number line. So let's begin. This will be one step. This will be two step. This will be third step. This will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you started from -5. Now you have landed at 5. So this will be your destination by the instruction given to you. Okay, you are at, let's say, at -3. You are, let's say, at -3. So if you are here and the instruction to you is move towards left and take 5 steps. So you start jumping. 1 step, 2 step, third step, fourth step, and this is 5th step, and by this you land at -8. Okay, let's take one more. Let's say that you are at number 8 and you have to take 8 steps, not 8, let's say 11 steps backward, towards the left. 11 steps towards the left. So start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So where did you come? You are at -3. So you started from 8. It was asked to you to move towards the left, and you have to take 11 steps. So you took 11 steps towards the left and you reached at -3. If you are thinking that what's the purpose of this movement on number line, this you will understand when you will do addition of or multiplication and all involving negative numbers and positive numbers, or 2 negative numbers or 3 negative numbers or whatever. So at that time you'll understand the importance of this movement on number line. So the importance of number line lies in, all addition, subtraction, whatever you want to do. Let's say that you are at 0. This is the last one. You are at 0 and you are asked first to move towards the right and take 4 steps. So you move towards the right and you take 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you land at 4. Then you are asked to move towards the left and take 3 steps backward. So you will be like, okay, this is like if the direction was in this direction. Now I have to take 3 steps towards the left. So 1, 2, and 3. So where did you come? You came at 1. Again, someone tells you that now move towards the left and take 5 steps. So you are at 1. So again you will move from 1. So 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, and 5. So you come at -4. So this was all about movement on this number line. You would be thinking that, hey, that's actually very easy, right? That's easy, but you will use this concept when you will do addition and subtraction involving negative numbers, positive numbers, whatever. There you will use this concept of number line and a movement along the number line.